Welcome to Raghav Options.
Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. My name is Raghavendra Singh. Let's begin with today's trading session's observation. We have observed Nifty and Bank Nifty open in the green and they turn into red. There were mainly two reasons. One is Reliance and the second one is margin trigger. Yesterday, due to huge fall, there were a huge margin pressure, the huge M2M loss yesterday, and because of that, the position were exiting in the morning session. So we have seen stop loss triggered and the RMC actions in all over the broking houses. So because of that, there was a selling pressure, and the volatility is very high, and because of that there were the stop loss hunting going on. And one more thing we have observed, Reliance put writers, they stuck very badly at 2300 level and they tried to exit their position, and because of that there were the selling pressure in the Reliance whole day. So these are the mainly two reasons, because of that we have seen selling pressure in the market. Today we have made a low of 11,100 in Nifty, and Bank Nifty almost 21,000 we have made the low. And I think Nifty and Bank Nifty both should respect these levels tomorrow. And the higher level is restricted, as I said earlier also. So 11,270 is the strong resistance, and I think 11,270 and 300 level will act as a strong resistance. So you have to trade between these two levels, and in the Bank Nifty 21,500 is the strong resistance on the higher side. On the lower side, Bank Nifty should respect 21,000 level, because if we see from 17,000 to 25,000, there were no any correction in between that. So there were almost 8,000 point rally from 17,000 to 25,000 level, and if we see the retracement level of that, so 21,000 is the midpoint where Bank Nifty should take the support. If Bank Nifty break this level, so there will be a huge fall in Bank Nifty till 19,000. But I think 21,000 will be defended well, and Bank Nifty should respect this level and hold this position for the expiry week. As per the FII's data, almost 80,000 contracts have been made long by the FIIs, and almost 70,000 contract has been short. So almost they have again added the long position, but the volume is very low and they have exited their long position on the higher side. What we can observe from this index future data. And in the option data, we have seen almost 5.2 lakh put long and call short. So huge short position built up through the option by FIIs, and almost 3.8 lakhs call buying and the put selling is there by the FIIs. So as per the option data, we think Nifty higher level is restricted. We need some very strong news to get the short covering, but the higher level is restricted up to 11,300. So take your position like this only. As per the option data, almost 38 lakhs fresh call writer added today in the Nifty, and almost 28 lakhs put writers exited in the loss, with the outstanding OI of 1.35 CR in the call side and almost 60 lakhs in put side. So option data is also indicating that higher side is restricted, and I think if there is a short covering, because there is a 2 days remaining in the expiry, so if there is a short covering comes in the picture, then we can expect Nifty to cross over 11,350 and 400 level. But I think this is it is very difficult to cross 11,300 level right now. Now we have to see the tomorrow data and we have to make some conclusion based on that. We will check tomorrow. And if we see the Nifty PCR is near 1 and Bank Nifty PCR is near 0.6, which is in the comfortable zone. Both indices are in the oversold zone, but this is the expiry week, so this data does not help in the expiry week. Max pain is 11,250 for the Nifty and 21,500 for the Bank Nifty, and the rollover data is very strong in the Bank Nifty compared to Nifty. I can see in the data that rollover in the banking stocks and the Bank Nifty is very strong for the next month. That is why we are very much bullish in the Bank Nifty and banking stock for the next month also, because after the IT and pharma, now the next sector is the banking, who is under the pressure from past 3 to 4 months. Now it is time for banking stocks and banking sector to perform well in the next month. How to trade tomorrow? If we see as per the FIS data and the option data, we think Nifty should respect 11,100 and 11,300 level, and Bank Nifty should respect 21,100 and 21,500 level. So for the option seller, I will advise to sell 11,100 put and 11,300 call for the Nifty, and for the Bank Nifty you can sell 21,000 put and 21,500 call. For the option buyer, I will advise to buy 11,200 call in the morning and exit before the second half in the Nifty. And for the Bank Nifty, you can buy 21,300, 21,200 call for tomorrow for 100 to 200 rupees gain, and try to exit all your position before second half, because there will be a time decay because expiry is on Thursday. So there will be a time decay, so you have to exit all your option long position before second half.